So it has been 3 years of writing newsletters, and last week I just completed 150 newsletters, and it has been a crazy ride because been writing it for the last 3 years starting, and I have written a bunch of things and recommended content, curated content, uh, and it has been a great journey since then. क्योंकि I just started my newsletter just to document my life or my learnings और जो भी मैं कर रहा था projects back then, whether it was like Notion templates हो गए या whether I was building any projects, proof of work, or any kind of a video. I just wanted to document that particular thing, and I thought let's start a newsletter and just to experiment with writing back then. And so yeah, that's how a newsletter was born, and I was completed 150 newsletters last week. So in this newsletter, I just wanted to talk about 5 main reasons why you should start writing, and how writing on the internet can really help you. Not majorly in newsletters, but yeah, I mean, you have to decide whether to write on Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, or any other platform or newsletter. So the first reason is that it's way easier to create content on writing, because unlike videos where you have to edit, shoot, edit, production, script, everything, here's that you just have to write on a piece of paper or on internet and publish it, and there are various tools that you can use to structure and use it for correct grammar. Yeah. So the second point is the internet is a very low risk platform where you can test your ideas, because if you're building any startup or any YouTube channel or working on any idea, what you can do is you can build in public and start writing your progresses on the internet. It mainly works on Twitter and Instagram, जहाँ पे आप every day you are building your product or any book or any idea, and you are sharing your progresses, learnings, just building everything in public and sharing your processes and gathering live feedback from people and sharing day-to-day learnings. It mainly works on public platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Twitter or LinkedIn, where you are actually testing your MVP in public, because there are people who are seeing your work there and will give you feedback. You will क्या बोल रहा हूँ? You will gather feedback and you will get your initial users for your any book or any product that you are working on. So the third point is somewhat similar to the second point, which is when you are learning or building in public, it kind of creates a credibility for you, because once you're documenting your life or your product on the internet, it kind of builds a trustable voice for yourself. क्योंकि आप everyday learnings, everyday processes share कर रहे हो, and you are actually building stuff on the internet, so that kind of helps you to build a trustable voice on the platforms. So the fourth point is it makes you really knowledgeable, because once you start writing, it kind of you have to research a lot and curate a bunch of pieces together, whether it's a video or a tweet, newsletter, or any articles that you want to refer to while writing it. And while writing it, it kind of opens up your doors to bunch of newer ideas, and you can explore those newer ideas, and that newer ideas kind of open up like a branch as well. So it's like a tree where you start researching about one topic and bunch of various branches open through various sources, so it kind of makes you knowledgeable and you learn a lot in the process. And after that, once you create one piece of content, let's say a newsletter, आप उसको बाद में repurpose भी कर सकते हैं into a video या a tweet or a thread. So thread तो Twitter पे होता है, but yeah, it can be repurposed on any platform. So the fifth and last point is that you are actually capturing all your intellectual journey, because if you see my older content, since when I started back in 2021, if you read everything in sequence, you will find how I've evolved over the time, and how I have how I used to think my old previously, and how it has everything been evolved since then. So, and if you're relinking a lot of things around you, let's say you are relinking your other pieces of content, your YouTube videos or threads or Twitter, you are kind of making a concept map kind of a thing कि आप आपके अराउंड ही एक ऐसा कंटेंट बना रहे हो कि पीपल कैन सर्च एंड रीड अ लॉट अबाउट योर स्टफ एंड लाइक रीड अबाउट यू जस्ट लाइक ऑफ वेब कि आप बना रहे हो लिख रहे हो. सो दैट वाज द 5 points that you should start writing. There are more reasons, there are a bunch of other reasons as well that you can start writing, but this will like kind of help me as well in my journey. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you are writing something or planning to start writing something, just drop the links in the comments. I'll love to read it, or maybe subscribe as well. So yeah, do drop in your links. And if you want to have a Notion template where you can like manage everything, I have a Notion template in the description as well. So you can grab that template and just start writing there as well. So yeah, see you in the next video. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.